Hi, my name is Peter, and I have one question for you. Did you know that you are in sales all the time? Find out why, and I will explain you how to get rich doing it. Today we will speak about how to build a relationship with customers. How do you make friends with a customer? How do you gain his sympathy? How do you gain his trust? The answer is he needs to be asked. Ask him about the things he likes. What does he do for a living? Where does he work? What does he like to do in his spare time? How did he just get to you? A very important thing in this step is to ask in such a way that the customer can't answer only yes or no. In other words, it should be open questions. Why? Because you want the customers to talk about themselves, their needs, and desires. And it is from his answers that you should be able to offer him a solution. Therefore, direct the right questions and get as much information as possible, which will help you offer the customer the best option for him. In addition to getting information about his needs, you are building a relationship. The customer is talking about himself, and you are the person who listens to him with interest. Another way to create a relationship with the customer is to be ready to offer him something for free, or to give him some little present. Surely you know it, and if not, start with it. There are many ways to reward customers for just coming to you and that they are listening to you. It's up to you. Of course, you always need to keep in mind the benefits it will have for you. In addition to asking him about his needs, we also need to focus on things that are, so to speak, between the lines. These are the main things that tell us why a customer wants a specific feature in the product/service that he is looking for. We need to find out why this is important to him. His emotional needs need to be identified. Think about the questions you can ask your customers to learn about these emotional needs. The result is that we have a relationship, and we have the necessary information to offer him a solution tailored exactly to him. Do not hurry and spend enough time on this part of the process. Building a relationship with the customer is not a 100-meter run. It's more like a marathon. If you make an excellent job here, you will have no issues later, even if you make some mistakes. So focus on this part as much as possible. Let me know if you are in sales and check out my new book, You Are in Sales, So Get Rich Doing It on Amazon. You find the link in description. Leave me a comment and hit the like button if you want to know more. Subscribe for the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.